Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you are already subscribed, hello once again. So in today's video, it's going to be a pretty important video as far as talking about something that a lot of us are dealing with right now. We're going to be talking about how to have a beautiful home office. As always, as you are checking out this video, don't forget to go to the description box where we have especially curated a list for you full of awesome and beautiful home decor items that you can order that fits in with a lot of the flows and looks of these rooms. But I'm talking too much. Let's get right into the video. Just about everyone has to bring work home with them at some time. Now, whether that's a stack of paperwork or saved on a laptop or this or that or the other. And if you're not an office worker, then perhaps you need a dedicated spot to sort the household bills and correspondence. Even the kids need an area to sit and concentrate on homework or to do computer research, since so many of our kids are now schooling from home as well. Whatever your needs, the chances are that you need a home office. Now, whether that looks like a complete room, a nook, or just a pull-out shelf, that is totally up to you. Now, if your living room doubles as a dining room and a home office, you may not be as productive as you'd like on those days when you work from home. However, the right home office can help increase your productivity by inspiring creativity and allowing you to cancel out other distractions. Whether you're considering transforming an unused guest room into a home office, or you have a little nook in a living space that you can repurpose as a dedicated work zone, spending a little bit of time personalizing your approach will go a long way. To create a functional workspace, consider who will be using it and for what purpose. A home office can range in size and complexity, from a corner of the kitchen counter to the whole top floor of your house, depending on its uses and its users. Should the space be private or out in the open? These factors will help determine the location. Only then can you begin to think of practical matters, desk height, lighting, storage, etc. Let's just start at the beginning. Home offices can serve multiple purposes, including keeping track of household finances and volunteer activities, a place for students to study, a place for entrepreneurial ventures, or just because your current 9-to-5 is no longer accepting employees in the building and you need a good place to work. Many parents want to keep an eye on children's internet use, in which case an office space inside or open to the kitchen or other open areas makes complete sense. A slightly more private space can be found in a wide hallway or second floor landing. For deep work that requires more privacy, your best bet is a dedicated space with a door to shut out household noise. A nice compromise is to replace the solid door with a multi-pane French door so that other household members can be seen but not heard. In 2018, Americans with full-time jobs spend an average of 8.2 hours a day at their workplace. For many, that's 8.5 hours now spent working right at home. And although there are a lot of great pros to that, that's a lot of time, so you might as well get comfortable. Working from home full-time is not like the time you telecommuted because it was a really big snowstorm or your kid was sick. To make it work, you need to create a sanctuary worth coming back to day after day. After determining your size and privacy needs, certain places in the house may start to emerge as likely candidates for an office. Some likely and even unlikely places to consider are your kitchen, part of an entry area. If you're lucky enough to have a butler's pantry, voila, instant office. A closet, tucked into a nook, a guest room, even a corner of the living room or the dining room. As with any other room, your home office planning must take into account both form and function. Let's start with function. You have to decide if you want your back to the door or not. Some people strongly believe that you should face the door while sitting to be in view of household going-ons, while others strongly believe your back should be to the door for better concentration and so you don't get distracted. It's totally an individual choice, so do what works for you. If you'll be sitting for long periods of time, make sure your chair is ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue and stress on your back. Also include your neck, arms, and wrist. Make sure the chair just fits you. The more comfortable you are and the more aligned your body is, the more you can stay focused on your work. Also take into account, how do you want your home office to look and feel? One school of thought suggests that a home office should blend with the rest of the house in terms of colors, materials, fabrics, etc. But you might want a home office that will carry you to another realm. If you have a comfy, cozy home, maybe you want an industrial vibe in your home office to put you in the work mode. Or maybe you have a country western home, but you want your home office to take on a beachy coastal tone. It's really all okay and depends on your personal preference. Alright guys, so I've asked you to comment your favorite down below. If you haven't done so, pause the video and take a moment to do it right now. If you want to know my favorite, I couldn't pick. So I actually picked two styles or two different rooms that completely just called my name. I love both of these. They're light, they're airy, they're feminine, and both look like I could get a lot of work done. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with other home decor lovers. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, don't forget to check out our Amazon description, links in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.